Hello, everyone. Welcome to Say It in Spanish. Today, we will learn new Spanish words and phrases.
How do you say, let's go for a walk in Spanish? You would say, vamos a dar un paseo. Let's go for a walk. Vamos a dar un paseo. What about this one? How do you say this phrase in Spanish? Vamos al parque. Let's go to the park. Vamos al parque. Alright, so it's your turn now. Repeat after me. Vamos a dar un paseo. Vamos a dar un paseo. Vamos al parque. Vamos al parque. Alright, it's review time. El sol brilla. The sun shines. El sol brilla. Está lloviendo. It's raining. Está lloviendo. Buen trabajo. Good job. Buen trabajo. Bien hecho. Good job. Bien hecho. How do you say you're perfect? Eres perfecta. You're perfect. Eres perfecta. Es realmente perfecto. It's really perfect. Es realmente perfecto.
Thank you for watching. If you have a Spanish word or phrase you want to learn, write it in the comments section. To learn more Spanish, visit this playlist. Bye. Ciao.